makers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be seeing whether a 3D printed vase or cup or pot or whatever you want to call it, seeing whether it actually leaks. Hope you enjoy. So just as a little quick branch off from last week's video, as you can see, the back of this is all painted and everything's been put up now. And the printers back to where they were before, and the desk has been painted 2 coats of grey. And I think it looked very nice. I like it. Turquoise is my favourite colour, so I love it. I'm not complaining. In most other prints, the printer, well, not most other prints, every single other print, the printer will lay down a layer of filament and then go back around and do another layer and another layer and another layer, etc, etc. But in this, which is in vase mode, it basically does one continuous spiral. So it doesn't, instead of going and then stopping and then going back around and stopping and going back around and stopping and going back around and stopping, you get the idea. It goes like, it just continues going round. So this is actually called a vase, not a pot, but I thought it was a pot. I see this as a pot, not a vase. But here's a quick time lapse to show you how it was printed, and enjoy. Okay, so I've got a little cup here full of water, and I'm going to be seeing whether this leaks. I will be very surprised if it doesn't, because I don't know, I just expect there to be gaps in the print, whether there'll probably be very small gaps, but somehow I can't see this holding up very well. So I'm going to fill it to about, I don't know, 75%, 80%. Do a bit more. Okay, I think that is, okay, I think that's well. I think that's filled enough, because I don't want to do it right to the top in case if we come in later and accidentally knock it, then it will come sploshing. Okay, that's a new word. It'll all come sploshing out, like onto the kitchen towel, so we don't, because we need, the kitchen towel is there so that we know whether it's leaked or not, and also we don't want to get the desk wet. But if we accidentally knock it, then the kitchen towel is going to be wet.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, so it's been about an hour, and I'm back, and I have some news. So this hasn't leaked, which I'm actually really surprised about, because in 3D printing, it puts the plastic, the filament, down layer by layer. So you would expect there to be like a tiny gap, and if there was, the water would leak through it, but it didn't, and that kind of shows that maybe our Ender 5 is set up particularly well. But to be honest, I'm kind of happy this didn't leak, because now we're going to be doing something even more fun. So now that this is emptied of all its water, we're going to be pouring boiling water in it, and in case you didn't know, that's probably going to melt this. Because basically the filament's melted when it comes out, and it's at 200 degrees, but that's still going to melt it. This is going to be really fun. I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, that was so satisfying. It's just, like, I don't really know how to explain it. I'm not going to put my hands on the table because in case I slip. But it's so satisfying. It just mushes. Like, it didn't properly go into, like, the proper melted form like it did when it comes out of the nozzle. So it may look pretty solid, but I've got my pointy stick here. You can see it's really, well, it's leaking, oops. It's really, really not. Well, oops, I'm sorry, I did not mean to do that. But yeah, it is not solid at all, but it's not proper in the melted form that it is like when it comes out of the nozzle. That is very cool. Well, I think I've definitely learned a lot from this. The first one is because I didn't think that these vases, cups, pots, things like that, I didn't think that they were waterproof. Now I know they are, but they're not hot waterproof. That doesn't work. But yeah, this is probably the most fun experiment I've done so far. I love mushing stuff up, so I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this one, then chances are you'll like my other videos. We've got loads of new exciting videos planned for next week, the week after. Yeah, lots of exciting videos planned. I upload every weekend, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you guys next week. Now I'm gonna carry on prodding this.